Hello all, welcome to the course of Industrial Internet of Things, also known as IIoT. So what is IoT and what is IoT we'll see first. IoT refers to everyday consumer-focused devices such as smartphones, smart speakers, wearables, smartwatches connected to the internet to enhance convenience and automation is known as an IoT, and Industrial Internet of Things refers to the integration of smart sensor, connected devices, and advanced analytics in industrial environments to enhance automations, efficiency, and decision making. IoT enables real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and improve operational visibility across industries such as manufacturing, energy, healthcare, and logistics. Both IoT and IIoT involves connected of devices, but they serve different purpose of industries. Now let's see the characteristics of IoT. First, connectivity and integrations. IIoT relies on wired and wireless communications protocol such as Ethernet, Wi-Fi, 5G to connect machines, sensors, and systems. Integration with the cloud platform, edge computing, and enterprise system (ERP and SCADA) ensure seamless data and flow. Second, real-time data collection and processing. Smart sensors gather real-time data from temperature sensor, pressure sensors, vibration sensors, etc. And edge computing enables immediate processing, reducing and latency. Advanced analytics and AI. Big data analysis and AI-driven insights improve decision making, and machine learning and AI enables predictive maintenance and anomaly detections. Next, automation and remote monitoring. IIoT automates industrial process, reduces humans intervention, and systems such as SCADA and HMI provide real-time remote control and visualization. Next, scalability and flexibility. IIoT system can scale from small factory setup to global industry network, modulars, and cloud-based solutions allow easy expansions and adaptations. Cybersecurity and data protection. IIoT networks require strong encryption and secure authentication and threat detection to protect against cyber attacks. Technology such as blockchain has been explored for secure data sharing. Interoperability and standardization. IIoT works with multiple devices, protocols, and legacy systems. Industrial standards such as OPC-UA and Purity secure seamless communications. Next, energy efficiency and sustainability. IIoT helps optimize energy consumption in factories and industrial plants. Smart grids and renewable energy integration support sustainability goals.